Welcome to Demo Patrol, your trusted partner in mobile home demolition in Sacramento County, California. Whether you're a homeowner looking to remove an outdated mobile home or a property manager ready to clear space for new developments, our team is here to help. With years of experience and a commitment to safety, efficiency, and environmental responsibility, Demo Patrol is the go-to choice for mobile home demolition in the region. In this video, we'll walk you through our process, highlighting why we're the best choice for your demolition needs. At Demo Patrol, we understand that demolishing a mobile home is a significant project that requires careful planning and execution. Our expert team begins by conducting a thorough assessment of the site to identify any potential hazards and determine the best approach for the demolition. We handle everything from obtaining necessary permits to disconnecting utilities, ensuring that every step of the process is compliant with local regulations. Our state-of-the-art equipment and skilled crew allow us to complete demolitions quickly and efficiently, minimizing disruption to your property and the surrounding area. Choosing Demo Patrol for your mobile home demolition in Sacramento County means choosing a team that prioritizes safety, professionalism, and customer satisfaction. We pride ourselves on leaving your site clean and ready for the next phase of your project. Plus, we take care to recycle materials whenever possible, reducing the environmental impact of demolition. If you're ready to get started or want to learn more about our services, contact us today for a free consultation. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to working with you on your next demolition project.